Things you'll want for this is an updated outlet plate cover to fit the size of your countdown timer, the timer or the motion activated light itself, whether depending on what type of project you're doing, and then you'll need a screwdriver flathead set. So first and foremost, you'll remove the existing plate from the wall just by removing the 4 screws. I'll open everything up and then you'll be able to remove the switch from here. At this point, you're going to want to cut the electrical. There's not power running to these lights so that there's no chance of electrocution. When doing projects that deal with electrical, you'll want to go to your box, find which circuit breaker is going to be with the project you're working on. So mine's going to be number 10. They're going to be numbered on the base there. You can just turn it off. So bedroom, nothing happens in here. And no power to the lights here. So it'll be a little bit darker now, but I will be working in a safe manner. So here I'll take the 2 screws off at the top. This will give me access to the wires connected. Once the screws are loose on that, you can take the wires and stretch them out. And then you can take your Phillips and remove the wires from the side. You just need to loosen these up enough to be able to untangle the wire from around the head. So I'll straighten these out so that way I can wrap the wires around each other and then put the cap around them. And I actually got way more exposed on here than I need, so I'm going to clip it a little bit too. So I'm going to take the black wire per the instructions and connect it to the hot power circuit. So wrap these around, take the cap, and screw them together. I'll then do the same thing with the red. Straighten it out, cut a little bit of the excess off so I don't have any of the exposed wire outside. There we go. And then I need to connect the ground. It'll be connected in the same fashion that it was to the old one. Manipulate the wire a little bit and then wrap it around the ground screw. Okay, I ran out, turned the breaker on, I made sure everything worked. I got power there to the light switch. I had to connect the neutral to all of the neutrals in the box. But with everything working now, I can turn everything off. I'm gonna go turn the breaker back off, and then I'm gonna stuff the box. Alrighty, 90% of the way done with the job. I can select how much time. I can turn it off, and for this one, when I turn it on, it's gonna turn on to the time that I previously selected. So I'll automatically run for those 20 minutes, and it'll turn off on its own. Now what I have left is clean up. Some particles came out of the box, drywall stuff, put my tools away, and now I'm ready to operate and use my fan the way it should be to prevent things from cracking, moisture buildup.